Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and use the download application on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's head into it. So I've clicked on the home screen. So I'm on home. I want you to navigate over to your app store. So you're going to use your Google Play Store. And if you do not know where that Play Store is, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to navigate to all settings and then I'll go to apps. Under apps, I'm going to go to see all apps, not unused apps. That was an error. See all apps. So go to see all apps and then navigate down to see show system apps. So click on that and then scroll down till you find the G. So it's alphabetical A B C D E F G. I just passed it. So G, and there you have Google Play Services, Google Play Store. So click on Google Play Store and click on Open to launch the application. Now the application is launched. You're going to search for the download application if you do not find any recommendations. So you're going to use maybe a voice search, or you're going to type on the search bar and actually search for the download application. So you see me going to the top bar, I'm hitting the search bar and I'm going to be searching for downloader by typing. So I'm going to type downloader. So I can see it behind the screen already. I'm just going to type download with the recommendations above, and I'll edit it a bit to remove the space and put ER. So we have the download application on search. Now there are a couple of apps named downloader. So I'm going to show you the one you're going to be looking for and how to ensure you download the right one every time. So look at this list of apps. The first one is downloaded by AFTV, rated 4.1 stars at the moment of this recording. That is the one you want. You don't want the one with the green background or the other ones. You want this one with the orange background with the white overlay text. The D logo with the arrow pointing down from AFTV. So click on that particular app and click on the install button. That will install the application. Just hang on for a couple of seconds for the download to begin. And when the download begins, give some time to complete. From there, this application, the Play Store is going to automatically install it onto your Google TV. When it is installed, we're going to show you how to use it step by step. So sit down, relax, hang back and wait for the download to complete. Now the application is completely downloaded. So we're going to head over to open it. It has downloaded, it has installed. So the installation process is complete. Or click on the open button right on the screen. Or you can go back to the app library to open the app. But either ways, this is the home screen of the application. Now when you're here, the first thing to take note of is this sandwich button to the top left of the screen. If you just come close to the top of the screen, you get shoved over to the icons on the top bar, and the first of them is this sandwich bar where you bring up the left panel. The first thing there is home, the second files, favorite, settings. So you could modify your settings on the application. You could look at the favorite bookmarks and sites you've tagged. You could also check the files you've downloaded from this application here, and you access the home screen right here. So under home, the most important feature of this app is going to be this bar right here. All the business is done on this bar. You click on this bar, you can put in a shortcode, you could put in a URL link to the other application as well. You could put in a keyword just to search for an application. All that is made possible with this search bar. So if you click on that search bar, you have this keyboard that pops up. where you could do all of that. So moving away from the keyboard, the next thing I want to show you is the top left, or top right rather. You have this pound icon here. This is specifically for numerical entries, so I will advise you use this to enter codes when you're trying to download an application using a code. So put the code in and the download begins in seconds. And the last is the three three buttons at the top right. This just allows you to zoom in, zoom out, increase, decrease text size to navigate the home screen. To customize it to your preferences, you also choose to go to full screen mode, or from this button on any page you could add that page to favorites right here with the add current page to favorites, and you could click on this button to explore your favorite pages right from the home screen. So that's basically for this video. If you found it useful, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.